Oh baby, it's our first mod for the S2K. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing our wheels and tires, getting them in the car, and taking a first look at it. Very short and simple. Let's get to it. Guys, before we start unboxing these wheels, please do me a big favor. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, so please hit that like button and subscribe button. Get us to 1,000 subscribers, and we'll have a giveaway for 1,000, so stay tuned for that. But without further ado, let's get into unboxing these wheels. You guys ready for this? Bam! Motegi track lights. Come back here. All right, so these are the wheels we got for the S2000. These are probably going to be our first wheels that we get. We'll probably get another at some point in the future, but these are Motegi track lights. These are a 17 by 9 plus 45 offset, I think, wrapped in 245 4017s. These are Firehawk Indy 500s, which I've heard decent things about. So these are the tires that we got for now for Project S2K. Let's go ahead and put these on the car. Ooh, guys, here they are. Oh my god, this is just in the air. All right, let's lower this and see how it looks once it's on the ground. Are you guys ready for this? Because I am not ready for this. All right, I need two hands to lower the jack. 1 second. Here it goes. Ooh. Ooh. And by the way, we are still on stock springs, guys, so with a bit of a drop, this will definitely look good. But damn, even just stock, this is pretty flush, I'd say. Yeah, these are the wheels and tires we're gonna run for now. Once we lower this on either springs or coilovers, I think this will definitely look a lot better. There's definitely a tall ass gap here, but you know what? Stock height issues, right? We got wheels first before lowering the car. Oh well. But the the old tires were definitely they were definitely used spiritedly, so we needed new tires for sure, so we might as well have gotten new wheels while we're at it. So let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, both sides done. As you can see, I'm very sweaty. It is 96 degrees outside today and very humid, but we've got the wheels on the driver's side as well. Let's go ahead and slap those center caps on. All right, here are the center caps. All right, let's go ahead and put them on. Let's make sure, how should we put these on? Do we want the Motegi to face the same direction as the track lights? I think this looks good here. With the M and the track lights in the same place. Let's go and pop these on. There we go. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Still for the other corners. Ooh, that one was satisfying. All right, driver's side. Alrighty, last one. Let's go. Yeah. Woo. Sheesh. With the red, they look good too. All right, let's torque these wheels down so we don't die on the road. Y'all ready? Ooh. Ooh. All right, wheels are all torqued. had a little fun, you know, making those noises, but you know the usual drill. Now that we've got the wheels on, our first new mod, we gotta do some B-roll. So here's the B-roll. Up to a friend's house. His name is Vincent, and this is the guy we bought this car off of. And I want to see his reaction to these wheels once he sees it. Yo, Vincent, what you think? What you think? You don't like them?
Yeah, where'd you get those? Just now?
Yeah, today.
You see another S2000?
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's videos. Sorry for jumping all over the place, but I forgot to close out the video. But yeah, we have the car on some brand new wheels. That's the first new mod for Project S2000. Here she sits. And as you can see, that's brand new. We're closing off the carport into a garage. But yeah guys, check out my Instagram for some behind the scenes content. We just did an interior detail for this car that I didn't make a video on because it's just a detail for the inside. It's not that big a deal. But yeah, again, very close to 1,000 subscribers. So please hit that like and subscribe button. And stay tuned for more Project S2K videos. And we'll do a couple more videos for the Accord. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.